So let's jump into this, right? I'm assuming almost all of you know what affiliate website is. If you don't know, just raise your hand. I'll go over it. But in a nutshell, right, local SEO is your ranking in the local city. And affiliate, let me make sure I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, affiliate is where you're ranking for different products and you have a link to Amazon.com or other companies when somebody buys that. So as an example, like this is a website that Simon found in that's for sale. There are different platforms like Flipper, Empire Flippers, MotionInvest.com where they sell these websites. So this is one website. I think from what the information Simon said, this person is selling this. So this is where they're selling it for $2,100, $2,090. Okay, and then that website is bringing about $96 a month through Amazon and 𝐒𝐚𝐽𝐾. 𝐒𝐚𝐽𝐾 is like AdSense. The more traffic you land, it's like display ads. It will pay you, right? But I'm assuming bulk of the money comes from Amazon, right? So if you see over here, he says he's getting 1,500 visitors a month, and he's selling it for 24x multiple. You see that? 96 times 24, 100 times 24 is 2,400. You get the idea, right? He created it 5 years ago. Yeah, 5 years ago. Okay. Organic traffic is so it's not even Google. He's getting it from all of this. Okay. It also has all of this. Okay, I didn't even see that. Okay, so that's good to know, because one of the things you can do, and we'll talk about it, is we can start monetizing this, building a lot more. We'll talk about that. Okay. But this website, if you see, they have air compressors, axes, batteries, drills, grinders, blah, blah, blah. And so if I want to go buy this battery system, they have a whole write-up on this. Okay. He's done a good job of writing about this, a power shift model. You see all this, look at all the content he's written for just one product, right? Then he has a video. Let's see if it's his YouTube channel or somebody else's YouTube channel. Let's see that. Okay, so this is somebody else's YouTube channel. Okay, but his embedded videos, he's actually done a good job of content, right? And he has all these promo codes. Like this is a Google AdSense thing. I'm trying to see. Okay, so this is probably an outbound authority link. You can see on the bottom, the link goes to a different website. I'm trying to see the Amazon affiliate link if he has. Maybe this is where he's selling it. I don't know. Let's see. It keeps going to a different website, but you get the idea. So if Simon were to just build this website or give this website to a web developer, a content writer, and build this website, get the affiliate links, all of that, he would end up paying more than $2,000 just for this website, just to put this content, write out, do the research, write all this out, then build a website and all that, right? This person's already done all that, and he's trying to sell it for $2,000, $2,090. And these are the links you see on the bottom over here. When I point over here, it goes to amazon.com/dp, blah, 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 and then the tag, right? So if I were to buy this, right, let's just go, I want to buy this for, right, I go here. It takes me to this Amazon website with his affiliate link. And then if I buy this for $54, I think, right, Amazon was paying 15%. I don't know what they're paying right now. He may get 3, 4, 5%. Does anybody know?
Yeah, I think it's about 3% now. It's really low. It's
3%. Yeah, that's what I heard. I heard it was 15%, and then so it's about 4% or 3% depending on the product. Yeah, it was 15% a couple of years ago, last year at least, and then they brought it down drastically to 3%. So a lot of people in the affiliate world, Matt Diggity, right? Their income was affected. If you see Matt Diggity, he's now talking about video editing. Matt Diggity, Debashi says he recommends avoiding Amazon. There you go, right? Joe says, I think it'll be more profitable if you're using other programs. Yeah, okay, awesome. Amazon is stingy. Okay, so you guys know a lot. Awesome. Okay. Now, what I've done is this guy has a lot of pages already. Okay. Let's take a look at it. 500 pages index. That's awesome. I mean, Simon would have to spend a lot of money, or if he's going to do all the research and content by himself, he's going to spend a lot of time, right? If you want to put a similar website for 2,000 bucks, this could be good. He's already got the affiliate links. It's got a Facebook page. It's got a Pinterest page. It's got so many followers on Instagram. Okay, Pinterest doesn't have much, but I think Instagram had something like 2,000 followers or something. He can capture that audience later on. But what I've done is I've put it over here. It's coming up for 3,000 keywords, guys. Do you see that? 3,000 keywords. I noticed, okay, almost all the keywords, none of the keywords are on page 1. You see that? So you can literally go and find content like scene batteries, right? 150 searches a month. And there's this page, it's on position 25. Let's take a look. All I'm saying is a little bit of better on-page optimization. Okay. Look at that. Check the latest price. Okay. I don't think these links work. Does it work? Because when I hover over here, it just shows toolgeeks.com. Yeah. So you may have to do your due diligence and look at, not all the links are working, but you can literally, let's see if he has a Amazon website. Yeah, he doesn't have all the links, I think, for all the pages. You may have to look into that, Simon. But you can literally do a better job of on-page optimization, interlinking, and then backlinks. That's what they are missing. Let's take a look at backlinks, right? Look at the backlinks he's got. I don't like this .fr, but again, he's in UK, the seller, so maybe a French website. This looks okay. He's got a lot of UK websites. I think most of it, if you see here, right, the subdomains got 150 referring domains. Let's see the homepage alone. Okay, it's got 31. So a lot of it's going diversified. I'm trying to see what kind of backlinks. So like this page here, does it even have any backlinks, right? 1 backlinks. You see that? Most of the backlinks, they're okay. But most of the time they're not powerful enough to move it. So you can literally just move these, like some of these 250 searches a month. Okay, Sawzal versus Hackzal, whatever they are. Something to do with tools, right? Literally you can put that over here and do a better job of backlinking. Okay, 9 keywords is already coming up for 9 keywords with 0 backlinks. Okay. It's pretty decent keywords. You see that? Right? And these are just the bigger keywords. If you just go and search here, you can get a lot more keyword research, like all of these blogs, and you can literally take this, one of the top ones who are ranking here, and see what other keywords they are ranking for. You get the idea? Am I going too fast? Right? Look at all these keywords that this competitor is ranking for, some other, right? Literally, you can create content, Simon. All of these keywords, look at that. 800, 150, 250, like you saw this by volume, right? Literally, you can do a lot, okay? How much is a hack? I have no idea what a hack sale is. Let's go here. Where did that go? Okay, how much is where was that page? Did I leave that page or what? But you get the idea, guys. Am I going too fast? Let me know. Okay, I am thinking, and I'm pretty confident this website is making $96 a month with nothing on page 1, right? Hackzal, Sawzal, I have no idea what those are, some kind of tools, right? What's the price of that? Let's find the price of that. Okay. 129 bucks, right? Even 3%, 10% is 12 bucks, you get 4 bucks. Okay. And there's quite a bit of decent search volume. Okay. I'm pretty sure you can take this, let me go here. You can take this from $96 a month. You may have to do a lot more work on content and backlinks, and easily 10x bring it to $960. Even if you bring it to $500 a month, in 2 months, in 4 months, you'll make whatever you paid back. And then you can do a 24x. What's 500 times 24? You can sell it back for $12,000.